Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin. Let's learn how to draw a parrot. Start by making an inverted D. This is the main body of the parrot. Create a huge C pattern to make a distinctive wing within the body. Now erase the top of the inverted D and make a circle. This is the parrot's head. Good job! Now make a U-shaped beak with a sleeping line in between. Create one eye as we shall draw a resting parrot. Now a long tail at the bottom. Imagine a U-shaped tail with a pointed end. Great! Make a half-circled tree trunk. 2 crescent-shaped feet. 2 oval leaves on the trunk and 2 leaves above the parrot's head. Our drawing is now complete. Color. Use a combination of 3 green shades from your crayon set and blend them well to give the parrot a realistic color. A bold red to highlight its beak and neckband. Use shades of green over the leaves. Use brown across the tree trunk and its feet. Amazing work by you! Show this parrot artwork to friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.